Here's the first 5 things that we did to mod our brand new 2025 Toyota Tacoma.
So today we're changing out the old floor mats that comes with the truck, these flimsy ones, for some weatherproof ones. This is the brand Last Fit, and they say it's going to be so much better, so let's find out. All right, so we're on the driver's side. The front 2 ones just have little clips, really easy to take out. It makes it easier if you put the seat back. Pretty simple, and then just 2 little clips on top. Remember to put the 2 clips on. This is the hybrid section that needs to be different, and this is where we got the Last Fit hybrid version. And here we are comparing it. The new ones are so much better because look at this coverage. The sides are covered way more. We're going to keep this truck clean for a while. And onto the back, this coverage is night and day. This little thing, look at this. So much better. And now we have coverage in the middle.
All right, so this was super easy. It was just 9 10mm bolts that we unscrewed, and it came right off. And then is there one more? The next thing we did was put in these tailgate inserts. We chose matte black. Of course, there's many different colors, but we went with an OEM part because we wanted that OEM fit. Just so I can open this up. We'll put it on the Yes We Can. And the matte black we thought complemented the rest of the black on our truck. Okay, that looks good. Thanks. You happy with that?
It's a great color.
The black, flat black. Why is that not sticking? Does that look good? All right, it's taco time. Looks good. Taco. Anybody hungry? So give me a squirt.
The next thing we wanted to do was protect the screen. Positioning such a big film was kind of hard, but taking some time on it wasn't too bad. And we are pretty happy with how it turned out. Is our Yes We Chan Benchmade. Yes We Chan 633. Is this like a transfer? Oh, it's a transfer. Okay, I got you. Because everyone needs a taco button in their Tacoma, so we put one in. When you're hungry, you press this.